Welcome to SolidWorks Mastercam CNC Learner. Today how to draw complex sketch by SolidWorks. We learn it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and New, click Part and click OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the center line. Select. Make the center line. Make the center line. Now draw the circle here. Draw the circle here. Select. Now give the circle dimension 58. Okay. Select. This circle control this circle equal. Okay. Now this point and this point dimension 70. Okay. Select. Now draw the another circle here. Select. Here make a center line and this line control this point. This point control this line control this point. Symmetric. Okay. Now draw the hair circle. Select and give the circle dimension 30. Okay. Select. Now this circle and point and origin point distance 40. Okay. Now draw the 3-point arc here and here. Select again here and here. Select. Now this line control this line tangent and this line control this line tangent. Again this line control this line tangent and this line control this line tangent. This line control this line tangent. Okay. Now this line control this line. This line control this line tangent. Okay. Now give the dimension radius. This radius dimension 20. Okay. Now this tangent equal. Okay. Now go to trim cut. Okay. Select. Now draw the hair circle and give the circle dimension 20. Okay. Select. Now they are under defined. This point control this point. Vertical. Okay. Now they are fully defined. Now again there are draw the circle. Select. Now this point control this center line control this point. Symmetric. This point control this point. Horizontal. Okay. Now give the circle dimension 15. Okay, select. Again draw the another circle here. Select and give the dimension 30. Okay. Now draw the line here, select, and here, select. Okay. Now I can this line control this line, tangent. Again this line control this line, this line control this line, tangent. Okay, now this line control this line, tangent. This line control this line, this line control this line, tangent. Okay, now go to trim and cut here and cut here. Select. Now move here and move here. So go to trim again, cut. Okay. Okay. Now draw the another circle here. Here. Select and draw here. Draw circle here. Select. Now give the dimension circle. This circle dimension 40. Circle dimension 40 and select. And this circle dimension 36. Okay, select. Now this circle make construction and draw the hair circle. Select and give the dimension 12, 10 as well as 10. Okay, select. Draw the hair. Okay. Now go to circular pattern, click here and delete point and click here. Okay, we need 8. Okay, now we can move point and connect the origin. Okay, again draw here circle, select and give the dimension circle 8. Okay, select. This circle make construction and go to circular pattern, click here circular, need 6 circle. Okay, move the point and connect to origin. Okay, now make our job. Now we can delete center line as well as no need. Delete as well as delete. No, control Z. Okay, thank you all, everybody share and like. If have any question you can write comment box.